A very big hello to all my wonderful second PUC champions. I hope all my dear children are doing great. Yes, so JJ ma'am welcomes you for one very important question session, and that is, ma'am, are second PUC model papers important? Now this is something that might have come into your head at least once, if at all you are in second PUC. Because every other teacher says that you have to solve model question paper, then only you should be writing the examination. And previous time, whenever you were preparing for the preparatory, you might have tried to complete the model papers, right? Some of you might have completed one, some of you might have completed 3 of them. I know it's difficult, but yes, you might have put the efforts. And some might be still thinking, for final, should I be preparing for model papers? Well, to answer all of that, listen to me carefully. Is it important? One straight answer, yes. But always understand, if someone says yes and no, always ask them why. Okay, why it is a yes? Why is it important? That is important. I'm telling you it's important. Just believe it's important. Will that work? No. It's important for a reason. I'm going to talk about that. As I said, I have proofs for that. So, ma'am, by saying yes, do you mean that the exact question is going to come on the day of my examination? Genuine answer, mostly no. But I didn't say no, I said mostly no. Sometimes yes, the questions are repeated as such. Sometimes no, the concepts are repeated. Okay, show us then. Fine. This is mathematics paper. So model paper 1 of 2024-25 had a question for question number 45th question. Find the area of circle x square plus y square is equals to a square by the method of integration. In your second PUC exam 1, so there were 3 examinations previous year, exam 1, 44th question was exactly similar. It said that find the area of a circle x square plus y square is equals to a square by the method of integration. So ma'am, you are basically vouching that the question can come entirely similar. I am saying there are chances. There are chances that the concepts could be similar. For example, the next question, again from model paper 1 2024-25, in mathematics you got a question like this where you had to use the properties of integration. Well, I am not very pro in mathematics, which is why I won't be explaining much, but you can clearly see the question. You might know it better. I have something for biology as well, so do not worry. So this was a question which was there in your model paper. Similar concept you had to use over here in this particular question that was there in your PU2 exam 1. Okay, exam 1. Concepts are similar. If at all your concepts are strong, would you be able to solve this question? Yes, right? So that's what I said, that sometimes it can be similar questions, sometimes the concept can be repeated. Now, if we talk about biology, since it's my subject, I can talk about it in a better manner. In model paper 2 of biology, there was a question number 2, and over here one more thing that I missed is the question number is also same. The question number was also same over here. Anyways, so statement number 1 says process of release of sperms from seminiferous tubules is known as spermatogenesis. Okay, the second statement says the spermatids are transformed into spermatozoa by spermiogenesis. Spermatids are transformed, okay, they convert into spermatozoa with the help of the process that is known as spermiogenesis. You had to find which of the statements are true and false. Obviously, for finding that out, you need to know the concept of this. Now listen. Second PUC exam 1, question number 2. The process of transformation of spermatids into sperm is called what? Now, if at all you knew the concepts over here and you checked for this particular question, you got to know the answer for this is correct. This particular statement is correct. Basically, you know it is known as spermiogenesis. Over here, you have an option, spermiogenesis. Don't you think you will get your marks? Yes. Similar concept. Concept is strong. You will be able to do the question. Next one. Question number 6 was given in model paper 2. Reason for human population explosions are given below. Rapid decline in maternal mortality rate, rapid decline in infant mortality rate. There are multiple reasons. You had to pick one, the correct reasons for increase of population size, right? Now over here, there is another question that came in PUC 1, exam 1. Sorry, not PUC 1. Second PUC exam 1, which said that select the one among the given that is probable reason for explosive growth of population in India. That means again you have to pick one reason why the population growth is increasing. The same thing is there. If you know the concepts, will you be able to do this question? Yes, Baba. This is why I am saying model paper is important. Okay, if not, biology now. Mathematics and biology has been dealt with. Now let's talk about physics. Physics model paper 1, mention the 3 properties of electric field lines. Question number 29. In your exam, 29th, previous year paper, okay, mention the 3 properties of electric field lines. Exact question was repeated. Exact question. Okay, one more example. Model paper 1. 27th question. Mention the conditions for total internal reflection. Mention the conditions for total internal reflections. So in PUC examination came, write the two conditions for the total internal reflection to occur. Same thing, similar concept, question being asked in a different way. Did you get it? Okay. So what I'm trying to say is, in physics especially, sir told me that there are chances that yes, the questions will be repeated, but you can score up to 15 to 20 marks from model question paper practice, but you have to be prepared for the other questions. So the thing that we are trying to tell you guys is, do not take model papers lightly. Solve all the model papers, that is important. And when I say that you have to solve it, I mean please understand each and every answer out there. Do not mug it up. If you know the concept, the question is asked in a different way, you will be able to answer. If you have just done the ratification, if you just mugged up thing, the question comes in another format, you will not be able to answer. So the whole story is that model paper is important. Yes, you get similar questions. Yes, you get repeated questions also. Sometimes it's just that depends on your luck. But the concepts, there are high chances it could be repeated. Don't mess it up. Okay, do not mess it up. So what do you think? Is this what do you call a good way of telling you things? Now you know the importance of it. And my dear children, we are coming live. We have done the model paper separately, 1, 2, 3 separately before your preparatory examinations were done. But we are coming live, okay, on 21st, 22nd, 23rd and 24th of Feb. Each teacher will be having one paper. So basically, starting with mathematics, okay, there will be 3-in-1 model paper with solution mathematics. On what? On the date is day 6, that is 21st of Feb. So I hope you know that Endgame series is ongoing now. It's totally free for you. Everyone who have not hit on the subscribe button until now, hit on it. My dear children, we have evaluated more question papers, definitely. So we know what type of questions could be coming in. We might not be able to say what exact question would be coming in, but we can give you an idea of the most probable things. Listen, if at all someone says that this exact question would be coming, this exact question will be coming, please do not believe them. Because are they making the PU2 question papers out there? No. Only the PU2 board knows about that. So yes, as teachers, we know what are the concepts that are repeated and we tell according to that there are chances. Everything is a chance. You have to understand that. That means the only constant thing over here is you're putting your efforts. Please put your efforts, clear your concepts really well, and then let it be. Okay, then let it be. Whatever comes, comes. Fine. So 21st, you would be having mathematics 3-in-1, and 22nd, you would be having what? You would be having physics. 23rd, you would be having biology, and 24th, you would be having chemistry. I hope that is clear. Yes, and have you subscribed to the channel yet? If not, I'm telling you again, subscribe to it. It's not just this. These are the live videos that are ongoing as of now. Tomorrow, there will be a live video for top 50 most expected questions of biology. Please come for the live. It will be there in the morning itself. Apart from this, we are giving you recorded sessions of Kannada, of CS, of all the things. We are giving you 2-marker, 3-marker, 5-marker, all the questions, my dear children. In chemistry, we have divided physical, inorganic, organic, and we are giving you questions. Please follow this Endgame series very, very nicely. And my dear children, we are telling you that yes, you will be scoring really great, really, really great. And do not be demotivated. We are here for you. Yeah. And for children who are asking about Hindi, so yes, we are trying to arrange a Hindi teacher as well. Sooner or later, it will be there. Trust us, before examination, you will get. Okay, before examination, anyway, we are not sure if at all we can get in this 10-day span itself. But whenever your Hindi examination is, before that, there will be someone who is going to teach you Hindi. Okay? Yes. So that's all. And everyone who is preparing for KCET, I hope you guys are not missing on KC30. The ending date of the offer is 25th of February. Until then, the pricing for this is 2499. After that, it will increase. What do you get in KC30? There will be a 30-day online crash course. Complete syllabus coverage is there. PU1 and PU2, all of it. There will be KCET previous year questions along with their solutions that will be given to you. Apart from that, there will be tests in the chapter-wise KCET questions will be in test format also, so that you can test your accuracy as well, speed and accuracy, all of it. And there will be 10 full-length KCET mock test also given. Don't worry, this is not starting now. It will be happening after your board ends. So on 21st of March, you would be having your KC30 to be beginning up, but the pricing will go up after 25th of Feb. So make sure you take it up. The link will be there in the description session. And those of you who have not joined the WhatsApp channel, join it. Again, the link is there in this description session only. And if at all you join the WhatsApp channel, you will get an update up to what live is coming and what is the timetable, this and that and everything. Yes? So that is the only thing that I want to tell you. And I hope this video was helpful for you guys. I hope you take model question paper seriously. Please solve it whenever you have time. Make sure your concepts are strong. There are so many free resources out there. We are doing masterstroke series. You know, there are one-shot videos. So it's not like every chapter you have to see. If at all you feel this chapter is difficult for me, go watch the masterstroke one-shot video of that particular chapter. It's not like every other chapter you have to complete. I know you do not have time for that. We definitely understand that. Yeah? So yes, wishing you all the best. Please take care of yourselves, and we all are here to help you out. Okay, lots of love, and do let us know if at all this particular video was helpful for you in the comment section below. Bye bye, take care.